There is a storm outside. Freezing rain, 5 degrees Celsius. But inside the van, I'm roasty toasty. In a t-shirt, I've just eaten a lovely spaghetti bolognese that was cooked on the hot air outlet of diesel heater. Just 2 kilowatts. They cost about £120. And the diesel heater itself is only taking 0.6 amps. That means in 10 hours it'll take 6 amp hours. Very little demand on a battery. Just, it makes van life possible, comfortable, and a breeze in the winter. Don't suffer in the cold needlessly. Swipe up.